The world is reshaping itself around these technologies. Countries are looking at how they can enable certain capacities with the technology.
But we're at the very, very beginning. What's really important is to think 50 years from now. What happens when these systems all connect? What happens when they go to scale? And often these kinds of questions arise with really, really hairy problems.
Is something we've never really thought about before, I think, and that's the legal platform. I certainly never thought about it in my 25 years of legal practice.
A lot of different players involved, industry, researchers like myself, but also policymakers. I think it was a really cool atmosphere, and you can see a lot of people still talking, so a lot of exchange.
Power of AI-based systems really comes through data network effects. We're already starting to see that with the AI processors in your phone, accelerating the algorithms. It's going into the cars for autonomous driving. That's going to be commoditized, and you're going to have very high, powerful processors in 5 to 10 years.
We will be getting into an era where we are having robots in unstructured environments, and you will start to see them on a day-to-day basis. At the moment, we're at a point where robots still haven't emerged from structured environments into the unstructured environments where we live.
We're actually creating a new applied science that is going to create tools to think about the future.
We know what everybody else is thinking and what everybody else wants to do. We need to start talking and trying to find a coherent message about how we approach these topics. And I think today I achieved the first step in that, and we are all in the same room, we're all in the same boat, and trying to figure out how to work together.